We will find compound angles of different trigonometrical ratios, that is cos a plus b, a minus b, sin a plus minus b, tan a plus minus b, like that we will be finding. We will deriving the formula for one compound angle, and with the help of that we will be finding the other compound angles. Here I am finding cos a minus b. Just I am taking a unit circle, that means its radius is 1, point radius is 1, this point is p0, so this will be 1 comma 0. Very much clear. I said you radius is 1, so this is 1 comma 0. P1 is a point making an angle A here, and P2 is a point making an angle B here. Okay, so some point P3 I am taking here, which is this angle is going to be A minus B. We know that in a triangle, if a point is here, the x coordinate is always r cos theta and y coordinate is always r sin theta. R is 1 here, so this point will be cos b comma sin b. It's not beta, it's b, you can take. This point will be cos a minus b comma sin a minus b, and this point is cos a comma cos b. We know that equal chord make equal angle at the center of circle. See, P0, P3 is making an angle of A minus B at the center. So the length of P0, P3 chord P0, P3 will be equal to P1, P2. Why? P1, P2 is also making angle A minus B at the center of the circle. So if I just apply coordinate geometry, that will be cos A minus B minus 1 whole square plus sin A minus B minus 0 whole square. That is P0, P3 by distance formula I am finding, and P1, P2 will be cos beta, cos B minus cos A whole square plus sin B minus, this is cos A, this point is cos A sin A, cos A sin A, okay, cos sin B minus sin A whole square. Just expand this, I am doing here. This is coming out to be cos square A minus B plus 1 minus 2 cos A minus B. On squaring we are getting rid of the root both sides, and then expanding it is sin square A minus B is equal to cos square B plus cos square A minus 2 cos B, cos A cos B plus sin square B plus sin square A minus 2 sin A sin B. Is it? Now you just combine the things. We know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So sine square a minus b and cos square a minus b is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 minus 2 cos a minus b in the RHS side. His cos square a plus sine square a is again 1 here. Cos square b sine square b is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2 minus, if I am taking 2 common, it is cos a cos b plus sine a sine b. Is it? Now this 2 is getting cancelled. This minus 2 is also getting cancelled. So ultimately we are getting cos a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sine a sine b. Just remember that in the formula of cos, everywhere you will see both the cos's together and both the sines together. Suppose I have to find cos a plus b. What I will write, I will make use of this thing. I will write it as cos a plus minus b. Then on expanding, we will get the formula cos a cos b minus sine a sine b. So the formula for cos a plus b is cos a cos b minus sine a sine b. Same way, I am deriving the formula for sine a plus b and sine a minus b. Sine a minus b, suppose I have to find out. Okay, we will make use of this thing. So we can write it as cos 90 degree minus a minus b. Because sine theta is cos 90 minus theta, we can further write it as cos 90 degree minus a plus b. So you apply now this formula cos a minus b or a plus b. From here you will get this thing as a, this thing as b, and you will get the formula ultimately on expanding sine a cos b plus minus cos a sine b. So remember the formula of trigger sine formula. Always you will find one sine and one cos. One sine and one cos. So sine a plus b will be, you can make a guess, sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. This is another formula. And if we go for tan a plus b, what is that? Tan a plus b will be tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. So if it is minus here, it will be minus and plus like. So you just remember these 6 formula and you will find very much convenient in solving some problems. I am giving the example of that problem. See, suppose I have to find sine 75 degree. I always say get the value of unknown with the help of known. So what the known angles with us is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, like that. So if I break sine 75 as 45 plus 30, it is in the form of sine a plus b. We can just write the formula sine a plus b, sine a cos b, that is 30 degree, plus cos a sine b. So you will get the value of 75 degree. I have seen some people say that sine 75 degree can be written as sine 90 minus 15 degree. Sine 90 minus theta is cos 15 degree. I just say always use the given things to get the unknown thing. 15 degree is not known to us. but 30 and 45 degree is known to us, so make use of this. Suppose I have to find the value of sine 15 degree, or you can say tan 15 degree. Tan 15 degree. What angles we can make use of? If we just write 15 degree as 45 degree minus 30 degree, we can easily make use of formula tan A minus B, which is tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. You just put the values of the known angles, you will get the unknown things. In this speech, I just emphasize how the formula cos A minus B is coming. Mostly I have seen people just go for remembering the things that cos A minus B is cos A cos B plus sin A, but how it is coming. Once you are knowing that it is justified, it has not come from the sky, then you will take it easily. You will remember it easily. You just remember the formula. Your journey in the trigonometry will be easy.